So today I'm going to be pressure washing a concrete patio and some concrete walkways. I was going to use my downstream injector with the Austin's Pool Tech Shock. It's 12.5% sodium hypochlorite. And my downstream injector wasn't drawing in the chemicals. I got to work on it. It's probably the ball valve stuck or something. So I just, rather than play around with that, I went and bought a foam cannon. I use foam cannons a lot actually, but this job I wanted to downstream. Anyway, I went to Harbor Freight. I bought a foam cannon there. It was $30. So that got the chemicals on decent enough. And then I started out with the white tip because some of the paint was like coming off these walls. But then when I finished the job, I was talking to the homeowner. He's a friend of mine. He's a firefighter. But he said, "Oh, I'm going to paint everything, so don't worry about it. I'm going to paint all the concrete. I just wanted it cleaned." So I think now he wants me to paint it. He was saying something on Facebook, but I don't know if I have the time. But anyway, I used the white tip just to go around the edges, try not to disturb the paint. And then I used the turbo nozzle to do the rest of the job. But the way these walls are, it was tough because the water kept pooling up. And even afterwards, like everything drained down to this section, so I had to keep rinsing and rinsing to get all like the dirt and grime because it was like sand and dirt. Everything ended up hit down in this section here. But anyway, it was a really, really hot day. It was like 94 degrees, really humid. But I don't know, with the pressure washers, like the mist in the air, the water, I don't know, I didn't think it was that hot. But people are like, "I can't believe you worked in that." It was so hot that day. And it's like kind of stagnant where I am right now too, because all the houses and stuff. But anyway, on this job, when I got there, I realized I didn't have my chemical detergent tip. So I went to Sherwin-Williams. They didn't have it. Then I went to Rocky's Ace Hardware. I thought they might have like a kit. They didn't have any. So I went to this place. It's called the Hose Connection. It's in, I believe it's in Tiverton, Rhode Island. It's right on the border of Mass and Rhode Island. But they have all that kind of stuff. So I went and bought one of the black detergent tips. And when I got back, then I realized the downstream injector wasn't drawing the chemicals. So then I went looking for a downstream injector, and then Sherwin-Williams didn't have any, so I ended up at Harbor Freight, and that's when I bought the foam cannon. But it was just one of those days. I always try to be like really well prepared, but things go wrong, and you gotta like just make the best of it. So, and then what was it? It was one other problem I had too. I forget now, but it was like one thing after another. I was running all around, so I try, like, I keep extra O-rings in my van and a little of everything just in case something goes wrong. But this is one of those days, just one thing after another. But I got the job done. The homeowner was really happy. So anyway, you just got to keep at it and just keep trying, and eventually the job was done. But it should have been like a 3-hour job turned into like a 6-hour job because all the running around I had to do.